Hello guys, I am Belmargy Saldahan and welcome to my video. Our main topic for today's presentation is all about the health benefits derived from involving oneself in the HRF activity. What are the learning goals and target to expect to our topic? First is to recall our previous topic about HRF. Second is to recall and define the main four components of HRF. And last, to define the benefits of HRF activity. From our previous topic, from lesson 1, we've tackled about health-related fitness. Before going further to our main topic, we should recall HRF so that we do gain knowledge and ideas to our main topic will be tackled later. What is health-related fitness? Health-related fitness is the ability to become and stay physical healthy, particularly into its main component, flexibility, strength, cardiovascular, endurance, and body composition. It means that HRF is all about health and physical ability. This defines the capability of a person if it was good or bad. It's seen here. This was all about the condition on your body on how it reacts upon exerting activities. Example, fatigueness and unfatigueness in long-time work. Next, what are the four main components of HRF? First is flexibility. This is all about the movement of a body part through a full range of motion at a joint. Example, splitting. Second is strength. This is all about the muscle's ability to produce effort and perform activity in a period of time. Example, weightlifting. And third, the cardiovascular endurance. This is all about the ability of the heart and lungs to secrete blood and supplies oxygen needed by the body to perform work. Example, long distance running. And last, the body composition. This is all about the ratio of the body fat to lean body mass, including water, muscles, and connective tissues. Okay, now that we've defined the means of HRF and we've tackled its component, it's time to proceed to our main topic, which health benefits derived from involving oneself in the HRF activity. The benefits derived from involving oneself in the HRF activity. First is flexibility. Performing such activities involve flexibility like yoga, aerobics, gymnastic, and stretching are good for our body, especially on movements such elasticity. This also reduces low back pain, muscular tissues, joints, and arthritis. This also prevents the musculoskeletal injuries. It also improves posture and balance and a positive state of mind, a stress reliever. Second is strength. Performing strength activities like push-up, sit-ups, weights, and etc. improves muscle to perform more effective. It also strengthens muscles against sickness or wounds. It also increases bone density, reduces the risk of fractures, and builds up self-esteem. Next is cardiovascular endurance. Performing such activities like running improves heart and lungs capabilities. Increase oxygen supplies, heart blood secretion to the body, improves metabolism, and reduce all cause of cardiovascular disease. Last is the body composition. Performing activities to maintain physical improves body against illness like diabetes, cancer, and heart failure conditions. Balanced body composition result to long lifespan and a happy life. In the summary of our discussion about in our main topic, to be easy to understand, this was it. Health-related fitness, flexibility, strength, endurance, and body composition. Now, we're gonna come back to our learning goals and target to expect to our topic. The learning goals and target to expect to our topic. We achieved to recall our previous topic about HRF. We achieved to recall and define the main four components of HRF. And last, we achieved our main topic, which is to define the benefits of HRF activity. Now, we've finished our topic, and this is the end of our discussion. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.